Hey hair bays, this install is brought to you by Chrissy's WigBar. This is a glueless HD lace unit. You already know how we started, how we giving it a fly ass braid down. You gotta make sure that every braid down is unique to the client. So based off the length, the texture, your braid down is not going to look the same for everybody. I like to make sure when I'm doing a braid down that I am not snatching edges. It's not necessary. I'm not using excessive force. I'm not braiding too tight. It's just a protective style to keep the hair out the way. Snip, snip, cut, cut. We are about to lay the foundation. Let's get that bull cap method going. That face is the face of surprise, okay? We be sipping on the tea in here. We be chatting, getting to the nitty gritty, get into relationship issues, kids issues, school issues, work issues, mom life issues, life issues, and then, get back to speed it back up, get back to work. You already know. I like to make sure when I lay my cap, it's invisible. I like to also tell people when you're removing your cap, do not rip that thing back. I don't care how many videos you've seen of people ripping that thing off their head. If you want edges, do not rip your cap off your head. Thank you. Thank you. We sizing it up now, making sure that thing is like, it could lay glueless. And I just did some eyebrow touching up, a little tap tap, a little did, little dang a dazzle, razzle dazzle. That's my favorite word right now, razzle dazzle. Any reason to say razzle and a little dazzle, you feel me? Scorpio season in full effect. All right, round or whatever they do, sting, ow, it hurt. But yes, her birthday, so we had to get it right. Taking out the pins, making sure she's laying right, and a happy customer is always the best customer, Like, see that smile? It's everything. It's giving me life. I like, yes, bitch, you happy, I'm happy, we happy. What lace? Lace where? You feel me? Yeah, she feel me. That. Okay? Okay? I say it once, I'ma say it twice. All lace is not created equal. Boom.